When your average person thinks about ordering pizza, they're probably thinking something like Domino's. But not me.
Thanks, choose McDonald's. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like a Big Mac with no sauce and ketchup and cheese on the side.
You like ketchup and cheese on the side?
Yes.
Anything else?
No sir, that'll be it.
457, first window, please.
Alright, thank you.
Big Mac, no sauce.
Yep.
And cheese and ketchup on the side.
Yes sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So now we've got the ingredients for our McDonald's pizza. Now take your cheese, ketchup, and the rest of your ingredients. Go ahead and open up the box. And right here we have our main ingredients, so just get rid of that. And this is going to be our meat here. And we don't want any of this. And yeah, then we're just going to get the rest of our meat and just to get this stuff off. And yeah, it looks like they didn't even mess up the order. We can put those onions back on later. And just go ahead and take your tomato sauce here. And just go ahead and put some of that on there. That looks like a lot. Alright, so now we got some sauce on our crust. Alright, oops. Alright, so get rid of that. And get your cheese out. So that's like your little layer of mozzarella. And now what we're going to do is put on, like, this is pretty much our sausage, you know. So just kind of break that up. And this is already starting to look like a pretty good pizza. I mean, you got sausage, cheese, crust, you know, pick out a couple of those onions, sprinkle them on there. And there we go. So right here, guys, you've pretty much got your McDonald's pizza ready to go. Now the pizza is finished and we can remove it from the oven. It may be a little bit overdone, but it's honestly looking not that bad. The cheese has been browned. The bread is pretty browned, or I mean the crust, excuse me. The sausage is definitely cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and get this ready to eat. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this bad boy. This is going to be kind of difficult because I'm doing it one-handed, but there we go, and I'm just going to go ahead and do 4 pieces. Delicious. Yeah, that's how you make McDonald's pizza, guys. So, have a great day, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and all that jazz. And thanks for watching.